Hello everybody, so today I will talk about physics. The topic today is about find the total inductance. So now I will show you how to answer about the formula in here. If they are in the series, we will have about L equal to L number 1 plus L number 2 and so on in here. If this is about parallel, we have 1 over L equals to 1 over L number 1 plus 1 over L number 2 plus others and so on in here. So we can apply the formula. So for this one, we can see that they are in the series. So L2, 3 equal to L number 2 plus L number 3. So L number 2 we have 20, L number 3 we have 40. So this one we got about 60 henries. L4 and L5 they are in the series. So L4 is about 30, L5 is about 60. So this one you got about 90 henries. And now if we look carefully about this one, we see that L1 is parallel with L2 3 and parallel of L4 5. So in this situation, we can find about the total inductance in here. That should be about 1 over L number 1 plus 1 over L2 3 plus 1 over L4 5. So we just put the value in here. L number 1 we have 10, L2 3 we have 60, and L4 5 we have 90. We calculate about this number in here and we got 23 over 180. So we can find about L total. That should be about 180 over 23 because this is in the denominator. So if we want to numerator, this one they will swap into. That's why we have 180 over 23. And this one approximate about 7.826 henries. This is the end. Thank you for watching.